Okay. Let's see how this goes. Okay. I don't know who's watching, who's going to watch, but I'm doing this video outside instead of inside. That's where I do a lot of them. So it's warmer in there. And anyway, so this is the GreenWater solar panel harvesting system. Okay, prototype. So it's gonna look prettier in the store, just so. But this sits. It would sit like that way on a solar panel, and so anyway, it keeps the debris out. And then I'll move the phone so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay. So now we are going to take the smaller one, that one, and put it over here. Okay. Okay. Now when it gets dry, on the flip side of it, I'll silicone it down here. I don't want to use liquid nails here because I want to be able to remove it if I have to, because it's a prototype, and I'll make a better one in a couple weeks. And then the tubing will go here, and then we'll see what happens. Anyway, that's it for now.